core is weak and you really don't know what exercises you should be doing to get it stronger, in this video I'm going to be breaking down my 5 favorite core exercises to improve strength, stability, and explosiveness. Let's get after it. First core exercise is called the deadbug. You're going to use the yoga ball like this, put it right on your knees with your hands on the ball. You're going to take a deep breath into your belly. Think about expanding it like a balloon as you inhale. Once you've gone to the top inhale, then you're going to press the ball and your knee into the ball like this, trying to pop it while extending those opposite arms and opposite legs. As you're going through this movement, you want to keep that lower back pressed into the floor as hard as you can. Don't let that back arch. And again, you're really trying to pop this ball. So you're thinking about driving your knee up into the ball while pressing that hand down, creating some isometric force. This is going to help strengthen your core as well as those hip flexors. Second core exercise is going to be a Swissball Bodysaw. So you're going to use the ball right here, press your fist down, get into that plank position. You want to make sure you're not on the ball like this. Press that fist down so you're creating some separation between the elbow and the shoulder. And then you're just going to move that arm like a saw motion, slowly forward and back. Make sure your hips aren't shifting side to side or sinking. Keeping that nice good posture, squeezing those glutes and squeezing those abs. The third core exercise is going to be called a star plank. You're going to get into your traditional side plank position. The only difference is here is that top leg, you're now going to bring it up and you're kind of making like a starfish, I guess you could say. So making sure you're using that top of the hip right here, keeping that bottom and top leg straight, elbows underneath your shoulders, and again, driving those hips up to the sky. You got to maintain this position for a set time. Fourth core exercise is going to be called a Hollowbody. You're going to get on your back again here. You don't need any weight right here. All you're going to do is you're going to extend your legs straight as you can, making sure you're dorsiflexing at the toes. Arms are nice and tall like this, keeping that back flat and focus on your breathing. As you start to get tired and as your legs start to shake, you're going to want to bring your legs a little bit higher to make it easy on yourself, okay? So the lower you're going here, the harder it is. The more you come up here, the easier it is. But we're not moving through the exercise. You're being static in that position and holding it. Once you can't anymore, then you're just going to come up a little bit. Working that core, keeping that back flat. Those are really, really key. For this last core exercise, you're going to need a band and you're going to need to tie the band to some sort of post. You're going to get into a split squat position, so the inside leg to the band is going to be down. You're going to bend that back knee, keeping this knee right over the ankle. And then with the band, you're going to extend out and we're going to hold it here. Now this is going to be working 2 things. Obviously working some anti-rotation on your core, but we're also working your lower body stability, which is key for speed and power development. So you want to make sure you're getting stronger in these deep flex positions. And you're just going to hold this and then repeat on both sides. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing as I put out more sports performance related content for athletes that are really looking to take their physical and mental game to that next step. Like the video if you liked it, and then just comment down below what videos you want me to put out next. I'm really just open to putting out videos for you guys. And until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.